mini makers, we're so excited. We hope you love your box, and I really hope that you love your dry time surprise. Those little monsters were my absolute favorite thing when I went into market, and they were just really fun. But be careful, don't squish them too hard because otherwise they'll pop. You have your little monster set that we already went over on how to paint it. And that's gonna help you take care of October's decorations, but this is your fall box, so we wanted it to go through Thanksgiving as well. So this box, this project, I really want you to take and make it almost like a memento. So we're gonna paint the front with our One Thankful Kid. And then what I think would be amazing is if on the back, you write 2022 and number from 1 to 30. Starting in November, write one thing that you're thankful for each day, and then it'll go away in the decors, and then the next year you can bring it back and write 2023 and write all the things you're thankful for. And it can just be a record of all of the amazingness that you are thankful for each and every day. So I already went ahead and painted my background. Remember, when we paint the backgrounds, we're gonna use the yellow sponge. So I'm gonna dry it a little bit. And then when we paint, we raise the grain in the board, so we wanna lay it back down. Then we're gonna use that sandpaper in our project and sand it really good. So we make it nice and smooth. Then you're gonna take that stencil, flip it over so the white part is facing up. Take the white and peel it straight back. If any pieces start to come up, you're just gonna push them back down and pull it straight back. Push, pull straight back, push, pull straight back, and push and pull straight back. Then you can take it, flip it over, line it up where you want it, push it all the way down with your hand, and then there's a clear layer that you want to take and peel it straight back again. Again, making sure everything stays down. So if anything pops up, just go a little bit slower and push it back down. So you want to make sure that all of your pieces stay on your board. You want to take a paper towel, or sometimes I'll just fold my scrap paper over, because we want something that we can unload our sponge on. So paper towel is really good. If you don't have that handy, you can certainly use this white part. Then you're going to use the white sponges in your kit. You want to think of what colors that you want everything on your project. So I'm going to do the banner all in orange. Now when you do a banner, you want to make sure you cover up all the white, because when we peel the stencil, we want all of that to be filled in. So the word thankful is going to be white and the banner will be orange. You want to remember not to have too much paint. So we're going to dip, scrape, unload on that paper towel, and then hop on here. It should never be shiny on top of your project. Remember, we want to dip, scrape, unload so it looks dry, and then hop straight up and straight down. All right, and then I'm gonna do all my little accents in yellow. So same thing, dip, scrape, unload, and hop straight up and straight down. Now I'm just gonna go over everything one more time so it's really filled in. All right, when you get it all filled in, you wanna take all of your paints and put the lids back on them so we don't have any spills on our finished project. And then with the help of an adult, you wanna take a safety pin, or if you have some tweezers at home, But start lifting up your stencil, and then just have your grown-up help you peel off all these pieces. Careful not to stick your finger in them. And you have your finished design. I can't wait to hear all about the things that you're thankful for. We'll see you at Christmas. Bye now.